In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export HubSpot email as HTML, a straightforward process that can save you time and allow you to leverage your emails in creative ways. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google, entering HubSpot CRM in the search bar. Once you've found it, click on the official HubSpot CRM link to take you to the website. From there, you'll see a big button prompting you to get started free. Click on this to proceed. Now, if you're new to HubSpot, this is where you'll set up your account. Fill out the required information, or if you already have an account, simply log in using your existing credentials and continue with the account that you want to use. Once logged into your HubSpot dashboard, look for the email section. You'll find it as part of the navigation menu. Click on Email to access your HubSpot emails. Next, locate the email you'd like to export. Once you found it in the list, click on the Edit option next to that email. This step will take you into the detailed editor view where you can see and modify the email before you export it. After you're in the email editing view, you'll want to find the View Email option and click on it. This is where you'll have first-hand access to the layout and design of your email. For those working with custom-coded email templates, there will be an option to access the source code. Clicking on this will open up the HTML code for the email. Now for the critical part, copying the HTML code. All you need to do is select all the HTML code that appears in this section. You can use the shortcut Ctrl+C on Windows or CMD+C on Mac to copy. This HTML is the blueprint of your email, allowing you to recreate or adapt it in any other platform that supports HTML. For those who prefer having a downloadable file, there is an optional step to export your HTML as a file. This can be useful if you're planning to integrate this email template with another service or just want to keep a local copy for backup. And that's it. You've successfully exported your HubSpot email as HTML. This process is beneficial for marketers looking to archive their email templates or repurpose them across different email marketing platforms. Whether you're scaling a campaign or simply looking to be more efficient, having your email as HTML is always a solid choice. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you next time.